Peggy 12.
My name is Peter Delacour. I used to be a master thief, using my skills in a life of high-end crimes and heists. I was pretty good at my job. If I wanted something, I took it. Getting away with it, that was half the fun. But now, I've got a new job. A job no one knows about. I've even got some new friends.
Sweet.
They're almost as strange as the job itself. I've seen things you would never believe. And trust me when I tell you, time is running out. For all of us. So get ready. It's gonna be one wild ride.